Hello my dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you mathematics in standard 7. Today we are going to study chapter number 1, geometrical constructions, practice set 2 and 3. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side to get my videos from next chapters also. So we are going to study constructions of triangles, in which first construction is to construct a triangle given lengths of all three sides of the triangle, which we are going to see in practice set 2. So let us see question number 1. How to draw the diagram. First, always draw a rough sketch. From rough sketch or from rough figure we get the full idea how to draw the fair one, and there will be no scope for the mistake while drawing the fair diagram. So let us first draw a rough figure. In rough figure we can use our pencil and hand only. If you want, you can use the scale also, but I am using my pen and I am drawing it with my hand. But as I am using pen, you all have to use pencil only. I have told you in my first video also, all the geometrical construction should be done with the help of pencil only. You all should not use pen. I am using pen so that all the diagram should be visible clearly to you all. So let us see how to draw the rough figure. Length AB is 5.5 centimeters. So I am drawing length AB 5.5 centimeter with the hand. As we are drawing rough figure, the measurements are not exact. Okay. So it is 5.5 centimeter AB. Now BC is 4.2. So from B we have to draw one side, the second side of triangle. So BC is 4.2. So I am going to draw like this, which is 4.2 centimeter. From B to C distance is 4.2, and then third side is length AC is equal to 3.5. So A to C, this we have to join this A and C points, and A to C distance is 3.5 centimeter. In this way you can draw any diagram of a triangle for rough figure. Now we are going to draw fair figure or fair diagram. You can write anything. Now for fair figure we require all the measurements to be exact. So first we have to draw base side AB, which is 5.5 centimeter. So I am going to draw this AB 5.5 centimeter. 0 to 5.5, the distance between the point should be between 5 and 6, the midpoint. So here I have made one point at 0, second point at 5.5, and in this way we can draw a segment of 5.5 centimeter length. AB is 5.5 centimeter of length. Now we have to draw BC, which is 4.2 centimeter. That means we have to fix the position of point C, and from B we are going to draw an arc at 4.2 centimeter of distance. So for that we will require our scale and we will require the compass or rounder. Now I am going to take the distance of 4.2 centimeter. I will put a point at 0, one point at 0 and second point at 4.2 centimeter, 4.2. Okay. So in this way the distance between these 2 points is 4.2. In between these 2 points the distance is 4.2. I can take it in my rounder, and this way this rounder has the radius of 4.2. So taking this radius of 4.2, the distance between 2 points is nothing but the radius which we have taken in this rounder. Now what we have to do? Considering this point B as the center, we have to draw one arc. This pointer, this metal side should be placed on point B, and we have to draw one arc. We have taken 4.2 centimeter distance in our compass. In this way we have taken 4.2 and we have drawn one arc. Now we have to draw another arc from A, and the distance should be 3.5 centimeter. The radius should be 3.5 centimeter. So let us see we have to take this distance 3.5 from 0 till 3.5. We have to take the distance. So I have taken 2 points, one at 0 and another one at 3.5, and in this way I can take the radius of 3.5 centimeter in my compass. And from point A I will be drawing the second arc which intersect the first arc. So in this way we have drawn two arcs which intersect each other. If you want, you can rub out or you can erase the extra portion of these arcs. And in this way we have got two intersecting arcs, and the point of intersection is point C. In this way we can fix the position of point C. Now we can join point B with point C. This BC distance is 4.2, so we can write 4.2 centimeter here. Now we have to join A with C. And this is the AC distance, which is 3.5 centimeter. In this way we can draw a fair figure. Now let us see the second sum. Triangle STU, seg ST is 7, so I am going to draw a rough figure first. So this is seg ST, which is 7 centimeter. TU, from T to U, 4 centimeter distance. So from T I am going to draw one side, one segment till U, which is 4 centimeter, and SU, from S to U distance is 5 centimeter. So SU is 5 centimeter. In this way we can draw a rough figure of any measurements. As I have told you, for rough figure we don't require any exact measurement. Now fair figure. First we will draw this base side ST, which is of 7 centimeter. I will be using my ruler now. This is 7 centimeter from 0 to 7. One point at 0, another point at 7. So 0 to 7, 7 centimeter distance. This is the segment ST, which is 7 centimeter long. Now we have to fix the position of point U. Point U is at 4 centimeter from T and it is 5 centimeter from S. So let us see. First I will have to use my compass, my rounder. Then I will be taking the distance of 4 centimeter, the radius of 4 centimeter. So I can fix the position. Now first we have to draw a ray at 4 centimeter from point T. So from 0 till 4 I have made 2 points. I am going to take this radius in my compass, this distance of radius. Keeping this pointer on point T, I will draw one arc over here. Okay. Now we have to draw second arc at 5 centimeter distance from point S. So 5 centimeter distance, for that again I am going to take it from my ruler 0 till 5, 0 to 5. So this 5 centimeter radius I have taken in my rounder. Placing the pointer at point S, I will be drawing the second arc which intersect the previous arc. And this way we have got two intersecting arcs. Now you can rub out the extra portion, and now we will make this point little dark. So in this way we have fixed the position of point U. We can join U with T, and we can join S with U, SU. So SU is 5 centimeter and TU is 4 centimeter. And this way we can draw a fair diagram of this rough sketch. Now third sum from question number 1 you all can solve, because it is same as that of these two sums, where all three sides of triangle PQR is given. length PQ 6 cm, QR 3.8 and PR 4.5. So first draw the rough sketch, and from this rough sketch you can draw the fair one. Now let us see the second question, how to construct the isosceles triangle. So the question is to draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 cm and other side 3.5. So we all know the meaning of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Two sides congruent. A triangle in which two sides are congruent is known as isosceles triangle. So we have to draw such a triangle where two sides are congruent. Base is 5 cm and other sides, that means other two congruent sides are 3.5 cm each. So let us see. First draw the rough sketch. As usual, we have to draw the rough figure first. In rough figure, we will be first drawing the base, which is 5 cm. Base is 5 cm. You can write any name because name is not given here. Name of triangle is not given, so we can write PQ as 5 cm. And then other two congruent sides are 3.5 cm each. So we can draw other two congruent sides as 3.5 cm and 3.5 cm each. This can be triangle PQR. They are congruent, that's why we can show it by same symbol. Now let us draw the fair figure. Now for fair figure again we will be drawing the base, which is 5 cm. So let us draw the base of 5 cm. From 0 till 5 we have drawn the base of 5 cm. PQ is 5 cm. Now we have to take the radius of 3.5 cm in our compass. From 0 till 3.5 we will be taking the radius. Now place this pointer on point Q and draw one arc. PQ, RQ is 3.5. So from Q we have drawn an arc at 3.5 cm distance. Now as this is isosceles triangle, second side is also of 3.5. So we don't require to change the distance between these 2 points of the rounder. Now we can draw second arc from point Q like this. You can rub out the extra portion, and this way we have fixed the position of point R here. This is point R. We can join QR and we can join PR also. Join it carefully. Now these two sides are congruent and we can show it by same symbol. We have to write their measurements also, 3.5 cm, 3.5 cm each. In this way we have to draw isosceles triangle. Now in question number 3 we have to draw an equilateral triangle. So what do we mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral, equi means equal and lateral means sides. So triangle whose all three sides are equal, that means all three sides are congruent, such a triangle we have to draw. So if one side is 6.5 cm, the remaining two sides will also be 6.5. So how to draw the rough figure? In rough figure we can draw any triangle whose all three sides are congruent. So as the name is not given, we can write any name, X, Y, Z. All three sides are congruent. One side is 6.5 cm. That's why remaining two sides are also 6.5 cm. Now let us draw the fair figure. So in fair figure we are going to draw our base side first. Base side is of 6.5 centimeter of length. Let me take it properly. One point at 0, another point at 6.5. So in this way we have to draw the segment of 6.5 centimeter of length, which is YZ 6.5. Now this point X is at 6.5 from Z and it is at 6.5 centimeter from Y also. That means both the distances are equal. As it is equilateral triangle, the distances are equal. So we have to take the radius of 6.5 centimeter in our compass. As you all know, this base is also 6.5, so we can take the distance of 6.5 in rounder from this base side only. We don't require scale now. Directly from base side we can take the distance in our compass like this. So I have taken the radius of 6.5 centimeter in our compass. Now we are going to draw, keeping this pointer on point Z. I have drawn first arc. Now placing the pointer on point Y, we have to draw the second arc which intersect the first one. In this way we have fixed the position of point X. We have fixed point X here. If you want, you can rub out the extra part of these arcs. Okay, and now we can draw the sides XZ and YX. So join X and Z, join X and Y. You can show it by same symbols. And this is also 6.5 centimeter. This is also 6.5 centimeter. In this way you can draw all the triangles from practice set 2.
Now let us see second type of construction of triangle. To construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them in our practice set 3.
Now let's see how to construct these types of triangles. As we all know, first we have to draw a rough sketch. In triangle MAT, length MA 5.2, angle A is 80 degree and angle length 80 is 6 centimeter. As you all can see, in MA also A is there and in AT also A is there. That means A is the common vertex in both these sides. So we can draw any one side as the base side. Either you can draw MA as the base side or AT as the base side. We can draw any side because angle A is given, measure of angle A is given and A is the common point between both these sides. So rough figure I have to draw first. MA is 5.2, so I will be drawing rough segment MA 5.2 centimeter. Now angle A is 80 degree, that means from A we have to draw the ray of 80 degree, which is acute angle 80 degree, and AT and length 80 is 6 centimeters. So from A to T, somewhere T will be here and this is 6 centimeter, and then we can join this point MT. In this way we can construct the rough figure first, and now from rough we can construct fair figure. So let us draw the fair diagram. MA is 5.2 centimeter. So first I will be drawing 5.2 centimeter long segment of MA from 0 till 5.2. First I have drawn this segment, base side MA, which is 5.2 centimeter of length. Now we have to draw a ray at 80 degrees. So for that we will require this protractor. Keep the protractor properly on point A. Place it properly on point A. Now as you all can see, our segment is on the left hand side of point A. It is on the left hand side of point A. So we will start counting from the 0 of left hand side. We will start counting from this 0. We are not going to count from this 0 because on right hand side nothing is there. So that will be wrong. You should not start counting from this 0. We have to start counting from the 0 of left hand side till 80 we have to count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Till 80 we will be counting. So we will join this point with vertex A. Okay, and in this way we have got this 80-degree ray here. This point is only to draw the this ray. Otherwise this point is not that much important, so don't make this point very dark. We have drawn the ray of 80 degree. Now we have to fix the position of point T, which is at 6 cm from A. So I am going to use my rounder to fix the position of point T at 6 cm. So I will be marking the point at 0 and at 6 to take the 6 cm radius in my compass. So in this way I am going to take the radius of 6 cm in my compass. Now I will be drawing an arc from point A. This is 6 cm distance. I am going to draw an arc at 6 cm, and in this way we can fix point T here, which is at 6 cm from A. Now we can join this M and T to complete the construction of triangle MAT. Join M with T, and this way we can complete the construction of triangle MAT. In this way we can draw fair figure. Now let us see the second question. To construct the triangle NTS, where NT and TS are 5 cm each. NT also 5 cm and length TS is also 5 cm. We can see T is the common vertex between both these sides, and measure of angle T is given to us. So we can draw any one side as the base side. So in rough figure, I am going to draw NT as the base side. T is 40, so again this is 5 cm NT. T is 40, it is acute angle 40 degree. Now TS is 5 cm, so from T till S this is 5 cm. Now we can join NT and S. So in this way we can get the rough figure. From rough figure we have to draw fair figure now. So first we will be drawing this NT as the base side, which is 5 cm. Zero to 5, segment NT of length 5 cm. Now we are going to draw the ray of 40 degree from point T. So as the segment is at left hand side of point T, so we start counting from the 0 of left hand side till 40 we have to count here. I am going to mark the point here, and from this point we have to draw a ray of 40 degree. In this way we can draw the ray of 40 degree. Now we have to fix point S on this ray. So point S is at 5 cm from point T. So we have to take the radius of 5 cm in our rounder. As you all know, this NT is also 5 cm. So I can directly take the distance of 5 cm from NT in my compass. So as you all can see, this NT is 5. In my rounder also I have taken the distance of 5 cm. Placing this pointer on point T, I can draw an arc on this ray, and in this way we have fixed point S here, which is 5 cm from T. Now we can join N and S to complete the construction of triangle NTS. In this way triangle NTS can be drawn. Third question, in triangle FUN, FU is 5, UN is 4.6. So again we can see U is the common vertex between these two sides. So FU is 5 cm, UN is 4.6, and major angle U is 110. So we can take any one of this side as the base side. So let us draw a figure first. I'll take FU as the base side, which is 5 centimeter. Now U is 110, that means it is obtuse angle. 110 degrees obtuse angle. So it will go apart from FU. It is 110 degree. Now UN is 4.6, so from U to N distance is 4.6 centimeter. And then we can join this FN, and this way we can get the rough figure. Now from this rough figure we have to draw the fair diagram. Fair figure. So as FU 5.5 centimeter, we will be draw a base side 5 centimeter, 0 till 5. This 5 centimeter base side we have to draw FU 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw the ray of 110 degree. So I am going to place my protractor properly on point U. My segment is on the left hand side of U, point U. So I will be starting from the 0 of left hand side till 110. I am going to count from 0 till 110 comes here. Now I am going to join this point with U. And I will draw a big ray, long ray. Okay. And this is the ray of 110 degree. Now we have to fix the position of point N on this ray. This point N is at 4.6 centimeter from point U. So we will take the distance of 4.6 centimeter in the rounder by using our scale from 0 till 4.6 here. And now take the distance properly. So taking the radius of 4.6 centimeter, placing our pointer on point U, I have to draw arc on this ray so that we can get point N here. This is at 4.6 centimeter from U. UN is 4.6 centimeter. Now we can join point F and point N to complete the construction of this triangle. So in this way you can complete the construction of triangle FUN. Now let us see the last sum from this practice set. RS is 5.5, RP is 4.2. So point R is common in triangle PRS. This between these two sides, point R or vertex R is common, and measure of angle R is 90 degrees. So again, any one of these side can be taken as the base side. So first draw the rough figure. RS I am going to draw here 5.5 centimeter. RS. Now point this major angle R is 90 degrees. So 90 degree, you all know it is always a perpendicular. So this is 90 degree, and RP is 4.5 centimeter. We can join this P with S properly. Join the P with S. This should not be done. So let us see how to draw the fair diagram. Okay, let me rub this out. I have to use my whitener because I am using the pen to draw the diagrams, and you all know you all have to draw the diagrams with pencil only. You should not use pen at all for drawing the construction. Now let us see. First draw the base side RS, which is 5.5 centimeter. So 0 to 5.5 till 5.5. Between 5 and 6 the midpoint is 5.5. So draw the segment of 5.5 centimeter as the base side. Segment RS 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to place our protractor on point R to draw an arc of 90 degree. Draw the ray, not arc. Draw the ray of 90 degree. So here 90-degree angle is formed. Now we have to draw 4.5 centimeter long ray to fix the position of point P. So take 4.5 centimeter distance in the rounder from 0 to 4.5, the midpoint between 4 and 5. So in this way we can take the radius of 4.5 centimeter in the compass. And now from placing our pointer on point R, we can draw an arc, and this is point P. Sorry, P, this is P, not R. This is 4.5 centimeter. RP is 4.5. Now we have to join point P with point S, and this way we can get the fair figure of triangle PRS.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.